thank you for considering Mom AI Restaurant. I'm excited to introduce you to our innovative AI SaaS platform designed to help restaurants like yours create multilingual AI agents in just a few clicks. How can I assist you today?
Wow, awesome.
Yeah, it's a game changer for the restaurant industry. Our platform allows you to easily create AI agents that can communicate with your customers in their preferred language, improving their overall experience and increasing.
We are jumping straight into it. Max from Mom AI Technologies. We develop AI solutions for businesses in order to bring the power of AI to generate extra profit margins and create new revenue channels for your businesses. We have restaurants working with us ranging throughout the whole land of Europe, from Iceland till Ukraine. And after this a bit braggadocious introduction, I'd love to show you how you're able in under 5 minutes set up the cold calling campaign utilizing power of AI and using simply two main tools which you have at your disposal for free right now. So please open Blend AI in one tab, ChatGPT in the other one. You can follow all needed links in the description and also follow the link to make.com in order to get even more advanced way of keeping track of your campaigns, results and overall performance. So first of all, you have created an account on Blend AI or you have logged into the existing one. You go to the section campaigns and patches. Here you will create the new campaign. However, as I have told you, I have gone through this whole process in the previous 20 minutes, so I will show you everything even more concisely and to the point right now. You provide some descriptive name to your campaign in the very first line. Then you first of all have to have the service and product you're about to pitch to your target audience, and you go to the GPT called cold call script generator. Here you ask it to generate the prompt for AI cold caller to present to target audience to do something. So schedule the call, introduce the offer, introduce the product, etc. Then based off this you will get this script, which you then go and paste into the other GPT, which is called system prompt generator. By the way, links to all the resources, including these custom GPTs, can be found in the description below. Then you do the following. You simply start the prompt to this GPT with the phrase convert this into the comprehensible prompt for AI cold caller for the variant of your business, and you just copy paste this script we have gotten from here. And also please add the other part at the end, which is output everything as the plain text. Then you can obtain this very understandable and to the point prompt. Then we go back to Blend AI and insert that prompt. In this section you upload the contact you wanna call, and the thing is that you can have many different columns over there, so attributes for your leads, but the most important part is to include the column with header phone underscore number, where the phone number is written in the international format, so including plus and country's extension at the beginning, so +1 for the US, for example. And please take care of that when you are writing down these numbers or just somehow manipulating the data. You have that column with those phone numbers formatted as a string and not having any extra unusual characters within the values. So no round brackets, no, I don't know what can be there, no white spaces, just plain internationally formatted phone number formatted as a string. Awesome. After this, you choose the model. I recommend opting for the enhanced one. Then you go to the analysis schema, and here is where the real sauce comes. So you can specify the certain variables you wanna your AI phone cold caller to look for, so you can obtain extra concentrated form of insights from each call. So first of all, the very straightforward one is just, did the human answer the call? So it will return Boolean value depending on whether it happened. And the second one follows the same pattern, where the true value is returned in case the person is interested in the product or service we are pitching. Here we can choose different voices. I usually stop on Josh voice. It's my type, whatever it means. Max duration is whatever the duration of the call can be maximum you wanted to put. And just to remind you, the price of 1 minute call is about $9. So just look at your budget. And here the really cool stuff is that you can specify the SMS such as, well, let's say, first of all, we start with double quotes to specify the exact message to be sent. Thank you. Let's say thank you. So now you see how everything intertwines at this point. Over here we can send the specific message only to those users who have shown the interest in our product, and here you simply specify that you insert the actual Calendly link of yours. It will be clickable when sent to the mobile device of your prospect, and we have this condition which filters out only those people who are actually have shown that they would love to proceed with your offer. Here we opt for the phone number to send the call and consequent message from. You can purchase the phone number from Blend AI directly. However, I highly recommend you to go on Twilio in order to get those phone numbers 7 times cheaper, get wider selection, and overall it will take you like 20 minutes to set up some stuff to have Blend AI having the access to the phone numbers you have on your Twilio account. Here, very important, surely specifies the language you want your AI phone agent to understand the user's language and to speak in. Wow, I haven't seen, by the way, this option. It seems really cool, like especially for the US, where it can easily understand both English and Spanish and switch between languages. But I haven't tried this option, so if you have opted this one, then please leave the comment describing your experience with this language option. Here I highly recommend to toggle on this switch, so it essentially means that the AI cold caller of yours won't just start babbling about the offer without considering the response of the user. So at the beginning it will at first wait for the initial response of the prospect, and only afterwards it will proceed to the other steps stated in the prompt of ours. And over here we have the other cool thing which I have told you about at the beginning. You have this make.com scenario, the one which you can get totally for free or pay if you want so by following the link in the description. You will get the scenario like this, and let me start from the end. You will have the Google Sheets table with the date of the call and its transcript being cleanly presented for you. All you gotta do is to create webhook, copy its value, and do not drag the ChatGPT tab, but to insert it over here into the webhook URL field. And right here you gotta specify the ID of your Google Sheet, which can be found over here. And please do not forget to do the following: let anyone with the link to access the sheet, because it will prevent all probable inconveniences and errors. Finally, we have set up our campaign. Almost, because what you are gonna see right now, or are seeing right now, if you are actually implementing what I'm showing you, you can add the extra step, set up the delay in amount of days between the next step and the previous one, and here you specify the other things, which are basically just another descriptive name. I don't know how much is descriptive this one on some imaginary scale, but whatever. And here I would recommend you to just copy paste the whole prompt and yeah, just insert it. That simple. And start time, just be sure that you won't call your target audience when they are peacefully sleeping, because even though it is a time when they are the most vulnerable, I'm totally sure that's also the time when they are the most likely to get totally pissed off with you. But in case you have ever done so, please share your experience in the comment section. We are really curious how is it to night cold prospects. And here we are. We have everything set up. We can press save draft. Then, I don't know, maybe walk around for another hour, just relax, let our mind to snap out a bit and wander for a while, maybe get some insights, what we would love to change. And when we think that everything is all right, the leads list is on the point, and we can start the campaign, we can come back, press this button, and you press create and start campaign. And also, yeah, just this one is really important. In case you do not change this value, you will send all these calls immediately, just upon pressing this button. But I would recommend to add some buffer, or again, just consider at what time you want these calls to be sent, so you call during working hours or whatever hour you think is the most appropriate for you to call the prospect of yours. Yeah, you would press that purple button, and congrats, at the end you are gonna have the results of what happened. You will see whether the meetings have been booked, you will see the transcripts of calls, and some data over here showing how many calls have been answered, not answered. Well, I will be honest, these first two campaigns I have sent and immediately discarded, because I did not understand that when pressing start campaign, the calls have been sent immediately. That's why I exclaimed so clearly that you must see what time you want your calls to be sent at. Thanks for watching. All necessary links are in the description. Also, just out of blue, in case your restaurant follows the very first link to the description in order to create AI employee for your restaurant, which speaks multiple of world's languages and needs no change in your existing systems to be integrated. It doesn't need any technical knowledge of yours. Yeah, I must tell you that it's quite a new thing, which is very innovative, so you do not see it very often in other restaurants. That's like the biggest minus. Anyways, follow that link in order to be first of 10 restaurants who will be able to obtain 3 euros to start out completely for free and test the things out for yourself. Thank you. Thanks for watching and stay awesome.